Hi everyone! We've reached 100,000 subscribers! Woohoo! Yes, thank you. Without your help, you, my Patreon supporters, I would never have done it. So, thank you guys. Thank you. And well, this point in the life of our channel is kind of a tipping point, because I've reached a point where I've been thinking and I've reached some conclusions that will have consequences to this channel. The first one is that I will stop doing weekly. Bear with me, there is a reasoning behind that. The thing is that let me, because I have a list of the reasons. I have my computer in here. I have a list. The first one is that not all the projects can be done in 1 week, and sometimes breaking a project into 3 or 4 videos on 3 or 4 weeks ends up not making much sense, and I end up doing what I call filler videos. I've done it because I've set myself to do weekly videos, and the end result is not always that great. Then if I end up dividing a project into 4 weeks, for example, I have to edit 4 videos and dedicate resources, and I have to think how to record the same process, like assemble, disassemble, assemble, disassemble, record it all again. And that takes valuable resources from the project itself, so I can end up with a really good video. Entertaining one, like something that all of us can enjoy. And all that running to get the Friday video ready and post on time at 10 p.m. every single week for the more than 2.5 years, every week. That has made me neglect some things like uploading my videos to Patreon, upload ad-free videos for you, posting my videos early on Patreon, and you are the main supporters of this channel. So that's a no-no. So what's the plan? The plan is to keep posting videos as frequently as I can, but probably not weekly or not every single week, but the videos have to feel like a complete unit, something that has meaning, even if it is not the entire project. For example, the big tank is not going to be one video, because that build is going to be a monster. At least I need to feel some accomplishment at the end of the video. Something has to be complete. I will still try to post weekly here on Patreon to give you an update of what I'm doing, and that has like a double purpose. The first one is to give you something every week so you know what I'm doing, but the other one is this direction. I will receive your comments and you will help me with the project, because if I don't do weekly, I will lose people commenting on my videos every week and giving me feedback or like advice about my project, so I will get that from you from now on. So keep them coming. And I will keep posting the videos here for the matching tiers early, like at least 1 day early. And also I will post my videos here at the same time than on YouTube, but ad-free. No ad reads, no ads, no nothing, because that's the least thing that I can do. So, and what I think it's going to be the best thing of them all, I will try to tackle more challenging videos, some things that will require larger prints or machining bigger parts, or maybe more complex builds that will take more than 1 week. And I think the end project is going to be awesome. I have a few of those in here already. So that's it. I forced myself to skip today's upload. It feels extremely weird. It's hard to let it go. But I've used the time to work on the future project videos, and I've been doing some 3D modeling. Next week's video still will be this boat in here, which I think is going to be finished and will work beautifully with the steering and the reversing mechanism. I've said, let me show you, there is now a storage space in my workshop, because one of the things that was killing me, it was not being able to find anything in the shop. That was taking lots and lots of time. I have here the museum of the boats, and I will use also some of that time to keep improving the workshop and also keep improving the workflow, because not being able to find my tools or the materials that I already have, I had to buy the same component thrice because I couldn't find it on the shop. And my 30mm sockets keep disappearing in the shop, like they have legs or something. So I will try to stay more organized and like revamp this thing, paint the walls, tool walls, sticker wall, everything. So that's it. I hope you are in with me in this new phase. And I'm all ears for you, but I'm all eyes for your comments below this video, so please keep them coming. And now please go and make something! Yes, the clip at the end of the video is mandatory, so yes, this is what it seems.